Alrighty guys, I come here where I wanted to be at, guys. Whew, I'm happy. I'm happy I come right here, guys. I can see the train, guys. Hope y'all like this video, guys. Thanks for subscribing to kiamichi Shorelines, guys. Don't forget to stop, look, and listen, guys. Don't forget to stop and yield for trains, guys. Alright guys, just be careful not. Stop, look, and listen, guys. If you see a train coming, please stop, guys. They can kill you, so please be careful, guys. Y'all have a good, very good night, guys. Marshall and out, guys. Let me wear my whistle, guys. Yeah, guys, trains can kill you, guys. But please stop, look, and listen, guys. Please don't race the big train, guys. Stop. Please don't proceed through any crossings, guys. They can be dangerous. There can be blind spots, guys. So you please be careful. Please don't kill yourself when you're approaching railroad crossings. Trains cannot stop on a dime, guys. So y'all be careful. Like I said, please stop looking, guys. Please stop looking, listen, guys. Please don't run any railroad crossing bells and lights, guys, or any with railroad crossing gate organisms, guys. Basically, what I mean by railroad crossing gate organisms, there's railroad crossings, both railroad light and bell, and a crossing gate. That's what I mean. So, guys, y'all have a very good night, guys. Please be careful. Please don't be dumb. Don't be reckless. Please don't race the big train, guys. And please don't race to make your girl happy, just to win her or something, and or whatever, guys. I don't want to see you get caught on camera, guys, and I don't want to see you get in trouble, or I don't want to see you get hurt in front of the train, guys. So guys, so y'all be careful, guys. So this is usually where I be at. I'm usually way off down there by Marshall's Crossing. I could be anywhere on this stretch of line. So guys, don't race the big train. Don't race it to beat it. They can be dangerous because one could be going faster than the other, and he could be going fast, guys. So y'all be careful when y'all do that, or just don't do that at all, because guys, it's not safe. It's reckless and it's dumb. So guys, just hear my warnings, guys. I don't want to see you get hurt or injured or anything like that, guys. So I just want y'all to be safe. I don't want to see you hurt or anything like that, like I just said. But guys, just bear down with me, guys. You know. So guys, trains win every time, guys, and they cannot stop on a dime. So trains cannot stop, but you can, guys. So y'all be good tonight. And be careful, be safe. Don't forget to leave me comments below. Don't forget to thumbs up and thumbs down, guys. Man, guys, I'll tell you what, there was a man looking at me weird, man. Well, maybe because I'm out here filming a train, but still, you don't look at somebody weird like that. So alrighty, guys, if you see somebody out here filming a train, don't look at them weird. Just wave at them and say hi to them, because it's a polite thing to do. Because some people, when they film trains, if you look at them weird, like stupid type way, that is an insult to a train photographer, guys. So guys, just wave at me and wave at any railroad photographer. Just wave at them. Don't forget to link in the comments below. Don't forget to link and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Don't forget to press the bell button below my page, guys. Alright, guys, I'm about to head out here. I want to ride my bike and I want to head home, guys. I had to help my dad. I had to help my dad put the roof on. My dad helped me. My brother helped me fix my tire on my bike there. I'm proud of them helping me to get where I am right now, guys. I'm proud of my father and my brother. I'm proud of them. Because right now, if it wasn't for them, I would have missed this train if it wasn't for them. So, guys, if y'all got projects, you know, like if you got a bicycle or something or anything like that, help them to help you back in return, guys. But, guys, y'all be careful. Have a safe trip. And please make sure you have a light on your bicycle about like that right here, because cops will pull you over for not having a back light or a front light. I know it's pretty weird, guys, but just go on with it, guys. Y'all have a very good day, guys. Be safe, don't be sorry. Alrighty, guys, you have a very good night. Marshall out.